Hello everyone, I'd like to talk to you about the new family of flap disc products that we have. We all know about the EnduroFlex product that we have with the 7/8 center and also with the spin-on. We also know we have the turbo product, and finally we know that we have another product called a 2-in-1. But I'd like to talk to you about the family and make sure that we're all aware of where and how we sell each one. This is a product that we see is powered with Cyclone technology. Cyclone technology is a proprietary blend of different abrasive grains that will give us maximum performance when we're grinding steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Now, with Cyclone technology, we've added a few other things to this product as well. One of the first things you'll notice is that there's a fairly narrow crown to this product. And by the crown, we mean the width of all the flaps that go around. That's designed for a reason, and I'll tell you about that in just a minute. The other thing that you'll notice is there's a lot of flaps put on here. We've got anywhere between 30 and 50% more flaps than most other types of products that are out there. So that's a big feature for us as well. The final thing that's really going to make this product unique is that it does the step of two different types of products. It grinds like a 36 grit flap disc, but it gives you a finish like a 60 grit. Now, how does all of this work, and why do you need this product in your shop? Well, in the first place, when you mount this product on your grinder, it's going to turn at about 10,000 RPM. That's going to set up this little turbo cooling fan here, which is going to allow us to cool our metal down a little bit, preventing it from overheating if it's stainless turning blue, or if it's thin sheet metal from distorting. What does this narrow crown do? Well, one of the problems with flap discs is everybody likes to use them like a grinding wheel, and they like to go up like this on an angle. Well, the reason why they do that is they know that if they lay that flap disc down, they're going to have way too much contact to the metal, and the metal is going to get too hot. It's going to turn blue or start to distort. So with the EnduroFlex Turbo, the way we're going to use that is we're going to mount it on the grinder, and we're going to use it this way, full contact with the flap to the metal all the time. By having that very narrow crown, we're going to eliminate that risk of overheating of our metal and of putting too much drag on the tool. So that's the proper angle that we're going to use, so we get maximum contact. That will give us our fastest metal removal. It will also allow the disc to have its maximum life to it. So that's one of the most important things with the EnduroFlex Turbo. Again, because of the way we designed this product, you don't need to trim this. Maximum contact with the flaps allows it to wear all the way down. We start working with this particular product. It grinds very, very aggressively, very fast. That's what we say 3660. Instead of going first with a 36 grit, having the operator stop, changing discs, put another one on the grinder, come back, and then finish it with a 60 grit, this does the job of both altogether. So really, just to cover everything off, narrow crown, special grain, Cyclone technology, grinds like a 36 grit, finishes like a 60 grit. More flaps, get more work done in less time. Try it, you'll love it. That's our key product. Where do we sell this? We sell this when a customer is doing metal removal, when he's trying to measure the number of pieces he gets done per flap disc. In other words, he wants maximum life. He wants great metal removal. He wants a disc that he can trim if he needs to, but he wants this thing to last. And he has a variety of different grits, from 40 grit up to 120 grit. So as our general purpose, our main go-to product, it's the EnduroFlex product. The third addition to the family is our 2-in-1, our EnduroFlex 2-in-1. Now, this is a product that we're going to use when the customer wants an ultra-fine finish. He still needs to remove the weld, still needs to remove some metal, but he wants a very, very fine finish to it. Stainless shops, people working in light gauge sheet metal where they don't want to get a heat buildup or any kind of distortion to it. This product's a little bit different because it has the cloth of the EnduroFlex, but interspersed between that, we also have the Blendex material, that non-woven product that's going to give a very, very nice brush finish. So altogether, we have EnduroFlex, we have EnduroFlex Turbo, and we have EnduroFlex 2-in-1. The right product for the right customer, we can cover all the applications. So just make sure when we go out, when we talk to our customer, we've got a family of products, not just one. It's not one size fits all. Right product for the right customer.